Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write validation rules in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we need to start creating our validation rules on some object. And to find our object in Salesforce, you will need to go to the Object Manager. If you don't already have it, just go to the quick find and type Object Manager and you will find this. By clicking on it, it will take you to this list of objects. From there, you will need just to choose the object where you want or on what you want to create a validation rule for. For example, let's just take these assets and basically if we go down, we will find these validation rules. By going there, we need just to click on new and click on and from here, you will need to start developing your validation rule. Give it a name, for example, I don't know, whatever the name, my validation rule. And after that, you can give it a description so you can understand or just give you an explanation on what it does. And from here, it will you can have some condition formula for the error. So if it doesn't meet some condition, it will give a message. And from here, you can choose a message uh, uh, that you will need. You can't have this value, for example. And basically from here, you can start adding functions or just insert operators on fields of these objects. So here you can see that those assets fields and for example, you can just go for external ID and you can start, uh, I don't know, insert some information or operation on this. And for example, let's make it equal and one and check syntax. So now it's correct. Correct parameter type. So from here, we need just to do like that and basically you will need just to, for example, let's make it this. You give it, for example, identifier and doing like this and no errors found. And as you can see, for example, it can be something like that and it will give you this error, for example, if the external identifier equals to a. And this is only a simple uh, example. You can add many functions, so you can assert or doing more processing using these functions. And basically, if the formula is true, it will erase this error message. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.